How to order from DHGate. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for dhgate.com. Once you search for it, their official website is gonna open up. So if you would like to order from DHGate, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for something that you would like to buy. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and select any one of them that you wish to buy. And once you're inside the section, simply tap on Buy Now or simply tap on Add to Cart. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and choose Buy Now. So once you're inside the Buy Now section, you want to go ahead and simply enter your address. If you would like to change the address, simply tap on Change and then add a new address. I have already added my shipping address, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. And once you have added your address, you want to go ahead and simply select your payment method. You can either select credit card or debit card. You want to go ahead and tap onto one of them, enter your card number, your expiry date, and then simply enter the billing address. Once done, tap and apply, and after you tap and apply, you want to go ahead and tap on Pay Now. And just like so, you have successfully made an order with DHGate. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.